It's like the puzzle pieces are coming together. Finished. Record timing. Nice. And that's what I mean. My girl, she's got the talent. She's got the ability. It just needs to lock in. Once she's locked in, there's no stopping her. Who needs food? Who needs rest? Look at that happy baby. He's like, yay! Mom is done. Oh. What were you doing, you silly boy? Oh. That was adorable. That was actually freaking adorable. The whole like smushing the cheeks, playing around together, laying and relaxing.